Billionaire Ron Barron, with a staggering 45% of his largest fund invested in Tesla stock, making him one of the Tesla's top 20 shareholders, just increased his stake in First Republic Bank, ending all bank run debates. His stake in the company is now about 8 million shares. So check this out. I believe he bought at the lows at $20. Again, in investing, it's all about buying low and selling high. We, as retail investors, we typically do the opposite. We sell low and buy high. So who was on the opposite end of Ron's trade? More than likely retail investors. He has to buy from someone, right? Someone had to be on the other side of his trade. So after making all-time new lows, Ron bought the bottom. So where can price go short term? So my eye gravitates to these wicks here. But if you look on the weekly chart, you have a gap that hasn't been filled yet at the round hole number of $80. Look at this bullish weekly candle, and it's only Tuesday. Wow. So he's up already on his additional stake, 100% plus. So again, my eyes gravitated to this pivot low here. So we're going to have two targets. Target one, let's say Ron Barron bought at $20. First target, $60 or $70, right? Which matches this pivot low that we seen back in March of 2020, right? The pandemic lows. And then we're going to have another target, $10 higher, right before the gap fill. Now, me personally, I wouldn't have bought, just because it did not meet my risk reward, financial, time objectives. But I may have to reconsider now that we had this bounce and potentially ride it back up to at least $70. We've seen all the regional banks and the regional ETF KRE bounce back strong, signaling that it was very important for the Feds to come in when they did Sunday night, restoring somewhat confidence in the banking system. But again, at a minimum, the regional banks were just too oversold. And you had a couple of upgrades yesterday, kind of adding to the positive sentiment. So, can First Republic Bank continue to rise? Well, Ron thinks so. Until next time.